Thank you so much for giving me an amazing support and so much of love. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. So, my name is Niku Biswal and I am from India, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Draw with Niku, where you can watch tutorial of art so that you can also draw any art by using our all easy steps, by following all those easy steps. So I will make it more easier for you so that you can adapt each and every steps very clearly. So today I am back with a new picture, and that picture is a sunflower, which is a beautiful flower, and there are 3 to 4 easy steps which you can also do it better, and by using 3 to 4 colors you can also play your game very well. And let's play our game. So please watch till the last moment of this video so that you can enjoy it. So thank you so much. Let's start our video. I have taken a calf like this to draw the disc of her sunflower. So first of all, you have to put that calf on the center of your page, and just side align, just draw your pencil line so that a perfect disc or center of the sunflower will be visible. So you can see like this. Then starting with petals. So for that you have to take a curve like this, very small curve, and another curve just join over here. Again, whenever you are just taking your pencil, just make it very slow. So like this you have to take in your petals, and whenever you are just matching, so try to just make it very at the similar position so that it will be very beautiful. So now let's join the lower or the upper layer of petals. So for that you have to take line this and again join the over here. So whenever you are making it, try to make it to plot at the same line so that it will be very beautiful like this. Now let's draw the stem of the flower. So for that you have to take a line like this, and here is the leaf of our sunflower. So for that you have to take a curve like this, simple curve, again another curve, and join over here. Then let's make it more designable. Like this, you have to take a line like this. Small cone will be placed over here from this position again, like this, so that it can give the proper look of the leaf of our sunflower. And at the right side, just a little upper position, take another leaf, small. So now let's color our sunflower. So for that you have to take crayon, and you have to make it you have to place your crayon very slowly. Now let's color with the yellow color. So our petals are almost done. Now we will have this yellow color on the disc area a little bit slightly, so that it will give accurate look. And now let's color our leaf part. So for that I have taken green color. Just take it very slowly. Now we'll have a deep green color on this color, so that it will give the proper or natural look of green and stain. Little bit. So our coloring part is done almost. So now we're gonna draw the most important part, or we're gonna sketch that, which will give the accurate look of the sunflower. So for that, let's draw or let's work with our pencil. First we will add some shades over the disc. So now let's sketch our petal parts, which is a very important part. So for that you have to take that pencil on the same line previously where you have taken. So whenever you are taking it, just make it try to take it once, so that it will give the accurate look, and just give some line like this, which will enhances the beautiness of petal. Hey all my awesome art friends, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed this video so much, and you can also do it better on your way by using my easy steps, so that it can help you better. And by using 3 to 4 color you can enjoy this one. And if you really like this video, please be there in my next upcoming video, and I will be back with so much of amazing stuffs for you. For that time, please practice it, and see you in the next upcoming video. Till that time, bye bye and love you so much.